The federal government also went after BP today, suing the oil giant and 8 other companies for the disaster in the Gulf. 11 workers were killed when the Deepwater Horizon rig blew up in April. More than 200 million gallons of oil leaked from BP's undersea well. The Justice Department wants the companies held liable for billions in cleanup costs and damage to the environment. Jan Crawford in Washington is our chief legal correspondent. And Jan, this suit comes after months of investigation by the Justice Department. What does it mean for BP and the other companies?
Well, the lawsuit was widely expected, Katie. It was really a matter of when, not if, the government would file it. It accuses the companies of violating several environmental laws and safety regulations before the spill, including things like failing to keep that well under control by using the latest and safest technology. Now, if BP and the other companies are found liable, they could face penalties ranging from $5.4 billion to, if there is extreme negligence, upwards of $21 billion.
But Jan, these are not criminal charges that were filed today. Are those still possible?
Oh, absolutely, Katie. Attorney General Eric Holder said today's lawsuit is merely a critical step forward and not a final step, which indicates criminal charges may be on the horizon. Now, many legal experts I talked to think those charges are likely, so the government can send a message that the conduct was so reprehensible it's criminal. And that could mean even more fines and possible jail time for executives if they knew there was a high risk that rig could fail and they deliberately ignored it.
And I know this is separate from the claims people have made for damages as a result of lost wages or property, and the billions BP has already spent on those as well as the cleanup.
Well, that's right. I mean, BP's already set aside $20 billion to pay for that lost income and wages, and those claims are being handled separately through that independent administrator, Ken Feinberg.
All right, Jan Crawford in Washington. Jan, thanks so much.